Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Owl Tarot and I'm here to give you guys your weekend quickie. This is for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Pisces, this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with you. Please take what does, leave the rest behind. Also, this reading is meant to give you an idea of the energy that's coming towards you this weekend. So please don't forget to check your other placements so you can get a better understanding of what this energy entails. Guys, time is fluid, so whenever you find this reading, you are meant to hear it, and there is no gender in tarot, so please reverse the roles as need be. Alrighty, Pisces, I went ahead and I shuffled your cards. I meditated. I asked the universe, archangel, spirit, angel, guides, and guardians, what is coming towards you for this weekend, and I have the answers right in front of me. Somebody from the past. Definitely somebody from the past is coming back. This person at times made you feel like you were a burden to them, or they were a burden to you. There was something with this relationship that felt like it had massive burdens here, because I have the Ten of Wands here in the upright. Burdens, 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 burdens. And why I say it's somebody from the past, because the Judgment, angel of the past, someone from the past is coming back. This person in the past caused you a lot of sadness, caused you a lot of heartache. With the Four of Cups here in the upright, they made you feel indifferent. They weren't paying any attention to you. Their thoughts, their minds, their heart was elsewhere with some other people. With the Five of Pentacles here, they made you feel isolated. They left you out in the cold. This person didn't pay no mind, no attention to you. And when you when you decided to release this person, when you decided to remove yourself from this situation that caused you a lot of burdens, with the Hangman in the reverse, when you decided to wake up, snap out of it, and move on, this person here, they come back with Judgment. They're trying to come back to try to get some form of reconciliation with you here. This person, something ignited this person. Either a message was sent to this person, or they seen something, but something made this person react, okay? Which is going to bring them charging towards you with this Chariot. They want to bring justice to the situation. They want to clarify things with you, because at the end of the day, this person wants to have a victory with you. This person wants to be victorious in this connection with you. But obviously, there is a lot of things that still need to be clarified, because with this Ten of Wands here, there's still a lot of things that will need to be fixed in order for this connection to reach total abundance. Alrighty, guys, so let's go ahead and get your cards clarified here. Alrighty, universe, what is this Five of Cups here? Oh, Hannah. When this person caused you sadness, when this person caused you grief, now they want to cause you happiness with the Ten of Cups. Now they want to come in and cause you all this happiness. Now this person wants to show you all the love that they have for you. Now this person wants to be in a committed relationship, in a relationship where love is equal, where the work is equal, where you both will be 50-50. Now this person wants to have that harmonious relationship in life with you, okay? You guys have 10-10. You have the Ten of Wands and the Ten of Cups there. So total completion. I feel that you guys have completed that cycle from the past with this person, and this person is coming in here possibly with a whole different mindset, or a whole different attitude. I don't know, a whole different heart probably. I don't know. I'm going to see what is this Four of Cups, universe? What the? When this person made you feel like you know, you were indifferent, like that you didn't matter, like you were just there. Now they want to make you feel like you're just the one with the Four of Wands here. This person wants to have a happy home, a happy life. This person wants forever with you now, okay? Now you got 4-4 there. Wow, you guys might be seeing a lot of synchronicities, a lot of numbers like 4-4 or 44, 44, 33, 33, 11, 11. I don't know, guys, but I've been seeing those a lot lately. I'm not going to lie to you. What is this Five of Pentacles, universe? The Six of Swords. Wow. Because this person made you feel left out in the cold, because this person didn't put no mind, no attention to you. This person is coming back with the Six of Swords. In traditional tarot, usually the Six of Swords is facing the other way as they're leaving, but I feel that this person is coming back because they want to heal this connection with you, okay? With this Hangman in the reverse, what is this, universe? King of Swords. This person's coming in here to give you clarity. This person's coming in here to give you the truth. This person's coming in here with all the information that you're going to require for them. This person is going to clear up anything and everything with you. This person is a leader. This person's going to go straight to the point and tell you, this is the way I want to do things with you. This is what I did. I apologize. Do you accept my apologies? You know, he's more that type of leadership person. You know what I mean? Very headstrong. What is this Judgment here, universe? The Seven of Swords. Yep, this person understands with the Judgment. This person understands that what they did to you in the past, they had to come and clarify with the Seven of Swords here. They have to, with the Judgment, they're coming back to clear up all those things that they did. They're coming back to tell you the truth. This person knows that this, I feel that this person knows that this is going to be the last time they're going to have this opportunity with you, and they better come with it. They better come with the truth, because you're not going to have it any other way. The Ten of Wands, I keep on saying the Ten of Wands. This person has a lot of things that he has to clear up to remove all these burdens. What is this Page of Wands, universe? The Judgment. What the? Yep. This person is coming back for reconciliation. This person is totally coming back with the Page of Wands. This person, your person might have been speaking to somebody that kind of knocked some sense into their head and sparked this idea in their head of who and what this relationship is, of who you are and how he or she should have been with you. Okay, what is the Chariot, universe? The Five of Wands. Your person is not going to fight. Your person is not going to fight against you. They'll be fighting against everyone else. They'll be running their asses over to get to you. What is the Justice here? The Four of Swords. Yep. When this person comes in with the truth, when this person comes in to tell you what really happened, you're probably going to be like, okay, wait, I need some time to kind of let me clear this up. I got to think about this. And you're going to kind of pull yourself back from the situation, because you're really going to go within and you're going to be like, do I really want to deal with this person again? Do I really want to deal with these burdens? Do I really want to deal with all the fuckery? Okay, so prepare yourself, because what this person's going to tell you, it's going to make you react in a way like, okay, you got to go. I got a lot of thinking to do. What is the Six of Wands here? The King of Wands. You... This person will not leave until they have victory with you. This person has crazy sexual passion for you. This person has a lot of passion for you. This person sees you as one of the sexiest people out there, okay? And they're not going to let you go. They're not going to let you go. This person wants this with you. This person will come in and they're going to tell you the truth, because ultimately at the end of the day, they're ready to drop those burdens and they're ready to fill these 10 cups with you. Okay, all right guys, I hope this resonates for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.